Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
I'm really concerned about this weird, sir.
Hey, real quick.
Hand those documents to me, please. I'm really concerned about what you're doing here. I can't make heads or tails. Did you see this stuff, Mr. Gaith?
Yes, Judge. I've seen the signature as well as read the email.
What? I mean, is there any explanation for this? How can that be deemed to be a signature? Are you kidding me? I write horrible.
Judge, if you have another document, there is proof of a signature he signed during the court that proves that he knows how to sign his name, that his signature does not look like that generally.
You just want to fight. You want to be, hang on.
I'm sorry.
He's already what?
He's already admitted in that letter. He understands what he did was wrong.
Then it was like illegal act inflicted upon America. What the heck? I don't get it. Okay, Derek Canbelda Fernandez, 25W707530. I need Jessica.
Good morning, Judge. Mazen Gaith up here on behalf of Mr. Fernandez.
Your name, sir?
Derek Fernandez. You want mine?
So I'm gonna need another probation sheet on this. Okay. Mr. Gaith?
Yes, Judge.
You have two charges here. I'm told that
The first charge, Judge, I believe was eventually completed. Mr. Fernandez will plead guilty because it was not completed by October 7th, but it was eventually completed. I believe Ms. O'Donnell has the verification for that.
okay.
And then the second charge, Judge, we're going to plead not guilty. I actually spoke to the lady at the volunteer center, and she did provide proof that Mr. Fernandez did complete the 31 hours by the deadline of October 20th.
I know, but he had to provide us with proof.
And she was the one that said that she thought she'd already emailed it to Ms. O'Donnell, but she did not. But she did email it this morning with a verification.
Your name?
That's what on behalf of probation.
All right.
I did get the proof on the community service hour this morning, and she did state that it was her fault. She didn't send it over. He completed it back in the
All
end of
right,
October.
sir. You're going to move to dismiss count 2, right?
Yes.
And he's going to plead to count 1. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
If you plead guilty here, that would be another technical violation. That would be your second. You could get 10 days. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty here, you'll be giving up all those rights and we will not have a hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. You understand all your rights. To the charge that you failed to attend the domestic violence program on October 7th and 25, how do you plead?
Mr. Fernandez,
Let's count 1.
No.
Did you fail to attend the domestic violence program on that day? Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
All right. Plea is accepted to count 1. Failure to attend the domestic violence program on October 7th. Count 2 is dismissed. Is that people in the hallway or what is that?
yes. I'm going to close the door, Judge. I apologize. 1 second.
No, you don't need to apologize. You're fine. You're fine.
Is that better?
I'm really concerned about this weird, sir.
Hey, real quick.
Hand those documents to me, please. I'm really concerned about what you're doing here. I can't make heads or tails. Did you see this stuff, Mr. Gaith?
Yes, Judge, I've seen the signature as well as read the email.
What? I mean, is there any explanation for this? How can that be deemed to be a signature? Are you kidding me? I write horrible.
Judge, I have on their document, there is proof of a signature he signed during the court that proves that he knows how to sign his name, that the signature does not look like that generally.
You just want to fight. You want to be, hang on.
I'm sorry.
He's already what?
He's already admitted in that letter. He understands what he did was wrong.
Then it was like illegal act inflicted upon America. What the heck? I don't get it. Is this some kind of a joke? Is this funny to you? I mean, I can't hear you.
No.
You don't know?
No.
Signing your name like it's a penis? You don't know if that's, you can't figure out if that's funny, or you're just being, is it funny, or is it just anti-establishment? Is it anti-authority? It is, I hate the United States. I hate the courts. I hate everybody associated with courts in the United States. I mean, we got a lot of people like that right now, walking around in this country that, honestly, I don't know why they still choose to live here. I mean, everybody's got the right to express their ideas, and I'm a full believer in First Amendment rights, but a lot of angry people. I don't know why they're so angry. I mean, we don't get to live here for 8,000 years. We get 80, 90 if we're lucky, and to express anger like that. So I need to know what you're talking. I mean, I'm reading this, and I'm kind of thinking this is bizarre.
Judge, I believe, if I may.
Yeah, I want to hear. I need to hear.
When we originally had done Mr. Fernandez's sentencing, I believe he did express to the court that he did have some mental health issues, and he was struggling with those issues, Judge.
Okay, let me look at something here. He didn't order. Yes, I did order a psychological evaluation. Did we have proof of that?
Yes.
And what did they say? He didn't need
He
treatment?
said he had major depressive disorder and had cannabis use disorder. Those were his two diagnoses that you're on.
Okay.
I believe there may be some other underlying issues, Judge, which he may not have disclosed during the evaluation, which would explain the emails as well as the signatures, Judge.
I get it.
Judge, too, if I could, I haven't got an update that has been going to the treatment since about 2 months. So that's my concern too, that I don't even know if it's still going as of right now.
Oh, wait a minute. So they recommended treatment?
They recommended treatment based on his depressive disorder.
Okay. Have you been going, sir?
It's hard to go because,
So the answer is no.
well,
Why is it hard to go?
sometimes they don't call me, when it's scheduled.
I don't know what you mean by that. They don't tell you when they've scheduled an appointment?
No, they scheduled it on that time, but they never called me. They didn't call me at that time.
Well, they're not, if you schedule an appointment, am I understanding this correctly? They scheduled an appointment and you wanted them to call you to remind you? Is that what you're saying?
No, it's over the phone, the appointment.
Who is he treating?
The evaluation was done through Teen Mental Health.
They don't just do it on the phone, do they?
Zoom appointments, like a telehealth kind of.
Oh, well,
appointment.
that's one thing. On the phone, that's about as personal as.
Yeah. I'm not sure he's referring to like to remind him of the appointment. I mean, the appointment's set with him.
Yeah, but I think he's saying they're not calling.
I just think to log on with him.
Right, right.
Just like when he meets with me on Zoom, he has to log on.
Let me see his report again, please. Mr. Fernandez, I'm going to forget this. I'm gonna forget this rather bizarre letter, and I'm gonna forget the fact that you, for whatever reason, weren't thinking very well, okay? When you quote unquote signed your name. You graduated, right? Okay. Do you live with your parents?
Yes.
Have you tried to get work?
Yeah. Yeah, yes.
Where?
Uh,
I mean, you graduated high school, right?
yes, I,
Okay, so where have you applied for work?
I've been, a lot of places.
Wait a minute, this is all coming back to me now. This is the one at Burger King or something, wasn't it?
I have to double check.
Wait a minute, let me double check.
Domestic between him and his father.
Yeah, okay. Okay. I mean, you're not incapable of working, right?
No, I don't think so.
Where have you applied though? Why aren't you working?
I just go on an app, a job searching app, and apply for whatever I feel like I could do.
All right, here's what I'm doing. I want you to go do two things. I want you to get a job. I'm handing it back, John, if you can give that back, this, and this too, and this too. I don't need this junk here. I'm gonna set a sentencing date. I've accepted your plea as the count one, dismissed count two. We're gonna set a sentencing date out about 3 weeks. We don't have to do it over Christmas, Lisa, so I don't care if it's right after January 1st or what have you. It's fine, but I want you to go get a job and I want you to get back into treatment. They're not going to call you on Zoom, right? I mean, you have to log in. All these and all these people that are here, they're logging into this Zoom. We're not logging into them. You understand?
Yes.
But I want you to, please listen to me very carefully. I want you to call them today, right when you leave here. And I want you to get back in. You think you can sit and help him?
I told her.
Let's do that, okay? So this is making a little bit more sense to me. That's why I ordered the health treatment, and at least I don't think you're being such a wise guy. I mean, I think you were being a wise guy, but what date are we going to do, Lisa?
January 6th at 10:30.
Okay, sir, January 6th at 10:30. Let's get your life in order here. How old are you?
21.
You got 70 years ahead of you. You know what I mean? Let's get you back. Let's get you on track. Okay? What are your thoughts? You're looking around. Tell me.
I don't know. I just had to show up today. That's it. That's
I don't know how to take your question. You were here for a show cause violation, right?
yeah.
Okay, so well, I'm not sure how I understand your question. Let's get you back on track with your life, okay? You need to get some help. She's going to set that appointment with you. I expect you to start to go there, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
and just be respectful of people, okay?
Okay.
I mean, I don't want you disrespecting her or anybody else in this building or people that you're going to treat with or programs that don't do that. It's not nice. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Because she'll help you get a hold of them. Go down the hall, get your notice. I'm going to set a sentencing date for that date. Good luck. Thank you. Jonathan Patrick Johnson.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.